cars and scary woods and everything on Try It Today. Back now on Try It Today, and I have two guys I like to call Iron Men with me. Lori Bates, our director. Let's meet them right now. Next to me, of course, the very famous David Daggett, attorney with Daggett Shuler Law. Well, he is Daggett Shuler Law. So is the gentleman next to him, Daggett Shuler Law, Griff Shuler. Gentlemen, thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Jim.
Griff has agreed to sit here and just sort of observe, but also comment on David personally, because this is going to be about David and his Ironman competition. Now, tell us again, for people who don't know, David, what is Ironman?
Well, triathlon is the generic for swim, bike, run. Ironman is descriptive of the distance. That's a 2.4-mile swim, 112-mile bike, 26.2-mile marathon run, all in one shot.
I want you to say that again, because I'm not sure you're not exaggerating that. Say it one more time.
No, a 2.4-mile swim.
All right.
Rough water in the ocean.
Right.
A 112-mile bicycle ride, and a 26.2-mile marathon run.
Golly, how long have you been competing in this stuff?
This is my 35th consecutive year of racing triathlons.
But now the big thing I understand is the biggie, as they say, is in Hawaii, and you're going to be doing that in a few weeks, couple weeks, going out to Hawaii.
Weeks, yep.
But that won't be your first time there.
No, it'll be my 8th time doing the Ironman World Championships in Hawaii. It's the coolest event. It's a combination of the Super Bowl and the World Series all wrapped into one. I mean, it's the granddaddy of them all.
I mean, and the thing is, Jim, just to break in, a lot of people may not realize this, you have to qualify for that. So you've got triathletes who are doing triathlons all through the year that are trying to get good enough times to be able to qualify for the World Championship in Hawaii.
So it's pretty good honor.
Once again, qualified. It's a huge honor. It's not just a little honor. It's a huge honor.
If not it's one of the hardest amateur championship events in the world to qualify.
What does your regimen include other than running 1,000,000 miles a day? What do you do to get in shape?
Eat. Swim, bike, and run. Do some push-ups, chin-ups, and sit-ups. But watch my diet and keep a good attitude.
Griff, does this inspire you or upset you?
It inspires everybody that's around David. But I think one of the things that's pretty amazing about David, that you hear about a triathlon and what it takes to do it, and you hear about folks that do it. I think the thing that's pretty admirable about David is how he manages his life. And he doesn't allow the triathlon and the training for the triathlon to take over his life, and that's, well,
some people do, and that's all they do.
They do, but one of the things that I think is most impressive with David and how he's constructed his life is that his work, his family, his spiritual life, and his triathlon all work together with him, and he's really very big about balance in his life.
I know that the two of you, and we've talked about this on the show before and had guests on here on how you've helped people, backpack programs and safety things and all sorts of things you're into, prom night safety. Is this sort of similar in the sense that, not that you go around bragging about it, but I know Griff brags on you, but do you think this sort of encourages people that you meet? Do you encourage them to be healthy and eat healthy and exercise
I feel I've been an example in the healthy fitness community. I've spoken to youth groups anywhere from grade school classes through high school and college classes to civic groups, that sort of thing. And it can be an inspiring sort of thing, knowing that an ordinary slug like me can maintain some fitness and keep it going.
And of course, not to stretch a point, Griff, but I imagine too, you take a guy like me that's overweight, I need to lose weight. I imagine I can avoid certain types of injuries in life if I stay fit. So there's a lesson in this that goes back to the kind of help that you give clients.
Sure, and there's life lessons all the way around. And David's being very modest. Being his law partner, I'm approached when he's not around quite often by people.
I'm approached when he's not around too, but we can't talk about that on TV.
But seriously, I'm approached by folks quite often that tell me that what he does with his triathlons are a real inspiration to them.
Well, it really is. And good luck on what
fantastic.
you're doing. Good luck on what you're doing.
Thank you.
When will you hang up your Ironman shoes? Have you set a date?
That's not in the foreseeable future.
Okay. For me, it's tomorrow.
I may be halfway on my career.
Halfway on your
35 years in, 35 to go.
Website, if you have questions about what these guys do in their business life and ways they can help you, the website is on screen, DaggettShulerLaw.com. And seriously, good luck. We're proud of you. And maybe when you get back, and we'll talk about it after that.
Good.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Jim.
Thanks, Jim. Thanks for
All right.
seeing you.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
We'll be right back after this.